Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover mixed conditional. There is a separate playlist of sentences in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are mixed conditionals or what are the uses of mixed conditional? A mixed conditional expresses an unreal past condition and its probable result. So it expresses a condition which was unreal, untrue in the past, and it describes the consequences of that unreal condition in the main clause. Have a look at the example here. If she weren't afraid of rats, she wouldn't have shrieked like mad. So the reality is she is afraid. She was afraid of rats, right? But if it could be the other way, that is an unreal condition where she weren't afraid of rats, then the situation might be different. So she won't have shrieked like mad. So therefore, a mixed conditional expresses an unreal past condition and its probable result. So we know that when we write a conditional sentence, we follow a particular structure, right? So there is a different structure used for a mixed conditional clause, as we have seen in the earlier kinds of conditional that we have covered in 0, 1, 2, 3 types. So there is a different structure which is followed in a mixed conditional. Okay, it's very good to remember, it's excellent to remember the structure and to use them, but one thing is always important is to remember the uses of each kind of conditional, because if you remember the uses, you will remember when I should use this, and therefore that improves your spoken English, right? So remember the uses, remember the structure, and then imply in your regular spoken and written English. Okay, so therefore it is divided into two parts: if clause and main clause. If clause contains past, perfect or simple past tense, and the main clause contains present or perfect conditional, and therefore we know that a mixed conditional is used for a situation which was unreal in the past and followed by a main clause which contains its probable result. Have a look at the examples here. Number 1, if we had done our homework well, we would have passed. So the if clause contains a condition that is unreal. Okay, so you actually did not do your homework well, because of that you did not pass. Okay, but this is an unreal situation and its probable result is we would have passed. If you had done our homework well, that's the condition, and the result is we would have passed. Improbable result. The next example is, every candidate would got a grace of 5 marks provided they had attempted the question. Okay, it talks about the candidate, right? And the candidate did not get grace of marks because what was the problem? That they did not attempt the question, even did not attempt the question, right? So therefore it talks about an unreal situation and it talks about the result of that unreal situation in the if clause. Yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links will be linked down in the description box. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.